How to use CaptureBoard. Install CaptureBoard app from the flash drive. Click Run and complete the installation procedure. To start and share the meeting room, CaptureBoard has to be connected to the laptop, PC, or Mac OS devices. For new user, please sign in first with your server account. The username and the password of server account are stated in the SN document. Run the program, then enter the username and password in the account section of the preference. Click Add to save the account information, then click Confirm to complete the server account setting. Make sure the computer is connected to CaptureBoard and the internet. To create a new meeting room, select Sharing, then Start Whiteboard Sharing. Share the meeting room ID or QR code for clients to join. Clients could join the meeting room through their smart devices or computers. For smart devices, please search and download CaptureBoard app from Google Play or App Store. For new users, please sign in with your client's account. Enter the client account username and password from the provided SN document. Active room will be listed after sign in. Please select the meeting room ID or scan the QR code to join. For computers, please run the installer from flash drive or the installer downloaded from CaptureBoard official website. Client username and password can be found in the SN document. Run the program, then enter the username and password in the account page of the preference section. Click Add to save the account information, then Confirm to complete the client account setting. Select Join and sign in. Active room will be listed after sign in. Selected ID to join the meeting room. Through CaptureBoard, any important meetings or crazy ideas could be shared instantly anytime, anywhere. Welcome to CaptureBoard, the future of note-taking.